Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance, and I thank you for clicking on that video. I am here to teach you an easy peasy. It's called Lova Lova. It is a one wall dance. It's only 2 parts, guys, and it's perfect for when somebody come into your class, instructor, somebody new, is something they can pick up real easy. All you have to do is cue it, okay? So, also, check out the NOLA Southern Experience. 4 days, guys. If you've never been to New Orleans, or if you've never been to another line dance event out of town, check it out. The NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. You have more than enough time to register. I wouldn't wait if I were you, I'm just saying. So go to our website. On our website, you can book your room and you can register. www.LMIUNOLA.com. And let's go. So let's stand at this wall right here. So part 1 starts on the left leg, your weight will be on the right. And we're going to just cross over. Left, right, right, okay? What we do on the left, we do on the right. 5, 6, 7, cross it over. Left, right, right, rock, left, right. Did you see that? I added on. Left, right. And when I did that, my left shoulder just came forward, left, right. Kind of diagonal, okay? Diagonal, cross over, left, right. When I do that, I'm going to shuffle. So I'm going to use my corner to corner, diagonal. Left, step, pivot, half, right, tap, tap, which I'm going to paddle forward. Tap, tap, and I'm back at this wall. That is part 1. Don't get nervous. I'm going to go back over it again. I'm just showing you what part 1 is. We're there. We got one more part. It's all 4 walls. Yes. So we cross over, right, left, right. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, cross. Left, right, rock, left, right. So you go cross over, left, right. So you rock. So instead of rocking left, right in place, we come forward. Left, right, diagonal. My weight is on that right. Shuffle left. Left, step right, half, and that will be diagonal. Then we step right. Then we take that left and we paddle. My weight is on that right, and I paddle to this front wall. Okay? Then I'm going to repeat it again. My left heel is up. I'm going to go ahead and cross over. Left, right, rock, left, right, shuffle left, step, pivot, half, right, paddle. Okay? Now, that's part 1. You do it twice. My left heel is up. Part 2. I'm going to rock left, lift, right, left, coaster step. That's part 2. Don't get nervous. I'm going to come back and get you. Okay? So what did I do? I came forward on that left. Left, right, left. When I stepped on that left, I'm going to scuff and turn. I'm going to rock right, left, coaster step. So come forward on that left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So rock, lift, right, left, coaster step. So when I lift with that leg, come forward quarter turn with the right shoulder and go right, left, coaster step. And I'll repeat again on all 4 walls until it takes me around, okay? So what did I do? 1, 2, 3, turn 4, 5, 6, coaster step, a right coaster. Then come back on that, up on that left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, coaster step. Rock up, coaster step. Remember to step forward on that left first, okay? Up, back, up. Turn, right, left, coaster step. Up, back, up. Turn, right, left, coaster step. Up, back, up. Turn, right, left, coaster step. Left, up, back, up. Turn, right, left, coaster step. And then the last step will be on your right, and your turn start over, crossing that left. Okay? Each time you're making a quarter turn. You're going to do part 2 on all 4 walls. And there's no tags, no bridges. So if you do part 1, you do part 2. Do part 1, part 2. Remember, you do part 1 twice. So let's go through the whole thing, okay? And it never changes. You have no bridge, no tags, and no changes, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, cross it over. Left, right, left, right, rock, left, right, shuffle, left, step, pivot, half, right, paddle, 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 cross, left, right, rock, left, right, step, pivot, half, right, paddle, paddle. Okay, paddle, paddle. Now, we did that twice now. Now it's time to come up with that left. Left, right, left. Turn, right, left, coaster step. Left, right, left. Turn, right, left, coaster step. Rock, left, right, left. Turn, right, left, coaster step. Left, right, left. Turn, right, left, coaster step, and start it over again. La, Lova, Lova. Check out the demo at the end so we can dance together and you make sure you got the right steps. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and also check out the NOLA Southern Experience. 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Visit our website for all detailed information, to book your room, and to register at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.